Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my KEH order. Let's go ahead and get started. So I ordered this. This was in the bargain condition. But I'm curious to see what it will actually look like. So this didn't come with any caps or hood, and here is the damage on the ring. I don't know if you can see those little marks right there. But because of those marks, it was like $300 cheaper. I'm going to be using this for my Canon 5D Mark IV. I think this was a great deal considering. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.